The sponsor of this video is my Instagram. There is always everything new and interesting. Those interested, subscribe link in the description. Hello, everyone, friends in general. Today will be disassembled such a mouse DEX wired optical mouse. Model CMCMBU. So it is cheap, but not the cheap is still cheap. It is more or less normal, but there are problems with it with installation. Personally, the warranty can be a meter that. Although it clicks, there is no actual operation. What is on the right? Take it to see what kind of micro switches are there. These. I have a couple of mice that can be disassembled and take these very switches from them. Now I also wish I knew how to disassemble it so everything is arranged simply small. Ordinary pushers like these. Bring it so the board itself does not hold with us, but just lies here. So here is our wheel and what's surprising is that the wheel here is still quite stiff after so many years. During all the time of operation, it has never been like this. In general, it is adequate, both the wheel and the variable resistor itself. I'll increase it a little. This one works fine. The laser also works fine compared to this one. I've already taken it apart a couple of times and already repaired the wheel like this. I just don't understand why here. It's strange, or is it some kind of universal 4-wire mouse? It seems to be connected correctly, 2 power supplies and 2 data, of course. So look, I even bent these terminals, cut them off. Not even that, not cut them off at the root. 2 instead of 1. Maybe this is a spare? Okay, let me connect it to the computer now and check. Okay, it caught fire. For some reason it won't work like this. It will obviously work like this. So, yes, the cursor moves adequately. Okay, we don't have actuation on the left. So we don't have it in the right work like that.
У нас нет опа, она и право срабатывает. Так. Так, чё...
I don't quite understand how it all works. It started working strangely. But now it seems to be working fine.
Работает, ну-ка, правый.
Something interesting. Well, damn. It doesn't work the first time, of course. Okay, then what should I do?
Что я сделаю?
I'll turn it off. I might not unsolder it. I'll try. Although no, I'll probably have to unsolder it.
Выпаять. Так,
I still need to figure out which one.
какая нажимает какую.
Because for some reason there are two pushers for the right button, I'll figure it out now.
Почему-то на правую кнопку два толкателя. Сейчас я с этим разберусь. И продолжим уже дальше. Я все понял.
The third button, it turns out, was for the wheel. All clear. All clear. Now all clear. Okay, I unsolder them and let's see what's inside.
Что у них внутри.
Okay, I've unsoldered one. Here it is, no problem.
Проблем.
Anyway, now I want to wring it out.
Сейчас хочу прозвонить. Так, где у нас тут звуковая эта прозвонка? Вот. Есть.
Only these two contacts are involved.
Задействованы только вот эти вот два контакта. Ну да.
Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Let's try to open them. I have such a device. It's very sharp. In principle, they are disassemblable.
В принципе, они разборные. Я думаю...
It's no problem to break a hand. The main thing is not to pierce your finger.
Главное, палец не проткнуть. Все.
We opened everything for now. We don't need it, and let's look at the device. What do we have here?
Толкатель. Пока нам не нужен, и смотрим на устройство. Что у нас тут? Мгм.
Is it here? I see. So, we just need to clean this contact.
Почистить контакт. Вот этот вот.
If it goes well, I don't know. Now I'll try to show you what small contacts are here. Basically, this cover protects from debris, but still, as I can see, debris gets in there. Not only from below, the upper contact needs to be cleaned too. And it seems to me that it is disassembled like this.
Она вот так вот разбирается.
You can pull it out and that's it. The contact is on our palm. It's black. Now I'll show you if I can focus. Here's the contact.
Получится сфокусироваться. Вот контакт. Сейчас.
Wait a second. That is, not the contact plate. Here's this.
Пластинка вот эта. Пружинная, блин. И вот на ней вот этот контакт.
I didn't find this one, of course. Usually you can probably use your finger or the backside. Here's the blade better like this.
Наверное, пальцем можно, да? Или обратной стороной вот лезвие лучше вот так вот.
We'll clean it and put it back together, this one and this one here.
И соберем обратно. Этот и вот этот вот.
Doesn't focus on this one. Someone has the backside like this is all in principle everything.
Вот так вот. Ну и все, в принципе.
Now I'll put it back together and check, so it means I figured it out from the first one. I cleaned it. I won't even change everything. There is in good condition. Now I'll show you.
Сейчас покажу.
If it works out.
Так.
There are 10 out of 10. Everything works now.
Сейчас выпаиваю вот эту, также чищу и ставлю обратно. Сейчас, наверное, припаяю вот эту обратно. Так.
It should also work out. I started speaking in rhymes recently, like I recently watched a movie last night. This one.
Как недавно. Вчера ночью посмотрел кино этот. Как он колбаре.
I liked it like that. Normal. They filmed it. And now the same thing Yulin already, as he says, thinks it through, as if there was a Suverim, but of course it doesn't always work out. Everything is great. Even everything lay on the old solder.
На старый припой. Ну вот, как-то так даже не видно, что...
Repaired, although they are hot. Although it was not repaired, only cleaned. Although it was removed, it is good that.
Ну, хотя и снималось хорошо, что здесь два контакта.
Not three. It would of course be more problematic to solder a three contact, but on the one hand I have such a tip, and in general, it is very convenient to work.
Лежало, и вообще очень удобно работать. Хоп. Ну, все,
Well,
сейчас
now I
открою.
will open it, repair it, and show the final result. Will it work
Будет
or
это
not?
работать или нет. Ну,
Well,
все,
that's
мы
it. The
закончили.
repair is finished.
Проверяем.
We are checking. Well, now it worked so harshly in the sense, clearly we have everything, and the right button works, everything is like this.
Работает лево. Все, вот такой вот...
Simple repair. That's it. Good luck to everyone. Bye to everyone.